Rogers Migo arari Murutwo wa mwaka wa keri agithomera kothi electronic engineering. Arakuire akirigitirwo thibitari wa Kiambu level 5 kuria aratengeretio ni andu a wendi mwega thutha wa kuhurwo rithathi-ini akora.
Kuna kuaga na hiyo fear, meaning they are always here around, because hata hao watu fenye wamefanya walikuwa wanaenda hii nyumba yenye wako na laptop, hawakuwa wanapatisha, kumaanisha one of them even maybe here ama alikuwa anaishi hapa kitambo.
Wezi waliingia huku, walianza na kwa Grace, then wakakuja kwa Rogers. Mimi hata nilikuwa nafikiria ni polisi, juu nikisikiza, lakini walikuja sana na fujo. Juu walikuja wakaanza kufuja milango.
Andũ magĩtetana kuuga atĩ arigitani thibitari-inĩ wa Kiambu ni maramaĩrĩire mangĩkamũtangĩkĩra na arĩa maramũtwarĩte makĩamba kwĩrwo marĩhe atanarigitwo.
From the security pale kwa gate were resist. Oh, you need to have to pay around 200 shillings. Ndio they were allow gari ingie ndani. Immediately after gate they need 600, and you know the people that who took Rogers, these are the Samaritans, the majirani, so they didn't have that cash 600 shillings.
Giko gĩa kũragwo kwa mwanake ũyũ nĩ kĩrakaritie aikari, na rĩu marahoya thirikari ĩmongerere obithaa a borithi arĩa makũgacĩrithia thayũ mwena ũcio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, getwo Kate Muthoni.